So I'm here. This is train 2205 and we are going to Washington, D.C. I'm in car 6. So I believe that see, and we're going that way. Ooh, I hear something coming in or something.
Attention please. New Jersey Transit 8:53 a.m. North Jersey Coast.
I don't see where it is. Anyway, I'm going to car 6 down there. So let's go. Let's get seated. They were letting this young man in, so I asked to come in for myself too. So I'm in car 6 and I'm going down there right now. Ooh, that's what was pulling in over there. Nice. This is the Cafe Acela car right here. Cafe Acela. I guess I could walk inside. Let's see. This is car 5. We're gonna go in car 6, however. So let's walk through. And this is the restroom right here. That's me. Oh, I look crazy now. Oh, look at this nice station here. Well, I'm going to put my luggage right here. Put my luggage right there. So I put my luggage right there. And I'm in 7F 17. Oh, 7F 6. I'm in 11. Let's see. 8. A. F. 6. I mean 4. I'm trying to find my. Wait a minute. 5. 6. 7. 7F. That's me. F is the window seat. Yeah, so I got the window seat. All right. So yeah, this is our coach.